Okay, let's talk about why some images pop up everywhere online. There's a hidden power at play.
Sounds a little dramatic, right? But honestly, without this data, your images are basically invisible online.
The secret? It's all in these hidden text fields. This stuff is called image metadata. Think of it like a digital ID tag for your picture. It tells search engines what it's all about. Now, there are a few kinds, but IPTC is the big one. It's what Google really cares about. Here's the breakdown. EXF is for tech specs, IPTC for descriptions, and XMP is for anything custom.
All right, so why does any of this actually matter to you? Well, there are 4 huge wins here.
You get better search visibility, you protect your copyright, you make more sales, and even protect your privacy.
Yeah, 12 billion. That's how many searches Google Lens gets a month. And metadata is your ticket in.
You see, Google literally reads this data. It's how it understands and, crucially, how it ranks your images. I mean, just look at the difference. It's a random file number versus a perfect descriptive file name. And if you're selling online, this is absolutely essential. It's what gets your products into those shopping feeds.
It's the same deal for stock photo sites and marketplaces. They use these keywords for their own search.
So, how do you actually do this?
Well, the good news is it's surprisingly easy with certain tools.
It's a super simple process. You just upload, describe, review it, and then download the new files. And get this, modern AI tools can do all the heavy lifting for you across hundreds of images at once.
So remember, your images are always talking. It's up to you to control what they say.
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.